we're in the old town of Zadar on the coast, still in Croatia. So, more to follow. Another church of some sort. Yeah, I've got my sticks packed away, but I will be playing with my stick again soon. I do like playing with my stick. To the right, it's a Donuts church. It sounds like St. Donuts, but apparently it's a donut. And that was built around about when the Romans were roaming around here, because the Romans used to roam around here, apparently. And what do you think, Gary? Hello, going on. Welcome to this Travel and Adventure channel. Today we are in the old town of Zadar, walking past the bars of Zadar. And we haven't got a car. And the bus isn't far. So, anyway, hope you're enjoying these videos. If you are, like and subscribe, you know, have to do it. This is the first view of the Adriatic that I've had since 1987, when I was travelling way back then when I was 24. The pavers look like they were down when the Romans were here.
Goddamn sensational.
Nice little alleyways,
Yeah.
full of very nice places to drink beer.
Oh yeah.
Excellent. And they've even got little
puppy dogs.
little rats in the old town here. Built in 1611. A post-Roman set of architecture, which is fascinating and beautiful. Very friendly people, excellent beer. Highly recommended.